So, as I said, what is the disadvantage in relative? In relative, this particular portion will be left empty. This will be like useless. This portion will be not used for any other purpose because it is reserved for this image. Correct. That is what we are saying in the relative position. When it comes to absolute position, okay, if you use the absolute position over here, I will use the same program. I will not change anything in the program. Okay, just I will use absolute. ABSO. Okay, I will use the same absolute. But first I will keep that image to the initial place. Okay, where it was in the earlier, right? In the last program. So I will keep that to the same position. Okay. See, just a minute. I will change this to relative. Right, this is the program, correct? This is for relative. I will change this relative to absolute. What difference we will get? Okay, what difference we will get? Absolute, and I will increase the top and left width of the image. I will just means nothing but I am moving this image to some other position. Okay, this is here it is there. If you use the 10 top and left 10, the image will be positioned in here. In this place, it will be positioning. If I increase the position size, that is top and left, I increase, so it will move to some other place. Correct. Save. See, this image has been, the image position has been changed here. Right, image position has been changed. Along with the image position, the other element position also changed. What it indicating here? Here in this, if you use the absolute attribute in the position, right? So the normal flow, right? A normal flow will be not preserved for the image. Either first it was normal flow was here, then I change the position. It is moved to here, but this position, this position is not preserved for this image. Okay, it is moved. Then after this image, whatever the element or whatever the content are there, that is moved about to the that is left position. Means the position means that space which is not using, right? It will move to that position. It will move to that particular space. This is what the absolute positioning. This is what absolute positioning is. Means in a relative, the container, consider this is a container, in that container, that particular space is preserved for that image, and that some space is preserved for this text. Okay, see, I will just move to this same relative. Okay, relative. So here what I'm trying to say is, see, consider this image was here. Okay, this image was there in the initial position. At a normal flow, it is there, right? So here it will be like this is one container, right? So in HTML program, each element what we are using, it will be in the form of container. Means that all content will be displayed in one rectangular box, right? The whole box is set as one container. Your image is also displaying in one container, and this paragraph is displaying in one container. Correct. So if I use the relative for this element, for this paragraph, I move this one to here, means this portion is kept reserved for the same container. Okay, this space from here to here, this box is meant for that particular paragraph, for that element, and this container, this space is for this one, for this image, and this space is for this paragraph. Like that, in browser, the particular space will be intended for that particular element. Okay, if I move that element to the some other position, but earlier position will be fixed, it will preserve for that element only, it will not given for other element. But when it comes to the absolute, okay, when it comes to absolute, there is no fixed container. There is no fixed space for element. Okay, there's no fixed space for element. When this element move to other place, some other position, that position is meant for that particular element. And this image is moved here, and this will be this position, this container or this place will be meant for this image, and earlier will be given for other element. That is what the difference in relative and position is. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಯೂಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟಿವ್. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ನ ಬೇರೆ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಎಂಟಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಖಾಲಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂರ್ಬೋದು. That container means that space is not preserved for that particular element, and the space may be used for other element. Automatically the browser will fit the other element, it will move the other element to that particular position. That is what the absolute is.